But he couldn't, and they were, it was like 5 pounds of pressure off.
Oh, jeez.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what do you do? Just throw it away?
I left that up to him. I told him, it's not safe to eat, but he put up all those potatoes. That's why test before you do it. You can see that foam starting to foam, yeah. Even though we put that butter in there.
Yeah, and the books that'll keep them, they have recipes for everything.
You may have to get your spoon and get this. Let me see what
Fruits. They'll tell you how to inspect the canner, all that stuff, how to clean it, the whole nine. They're super good about it.
I didn't mean to stand for me, but we have a YouTube channel. So. It's okay. I try not to.
Hi, Mom. So the habaneros, I'm making a hot sauce that he has to use because I was like, I don't know how to preserve hot sauce, so we're gonna use it or throw it away. It's all you got.
Knock yourself out.
Especially when we're here, does not stay out the kitchen.
Literally. The best cook ever.
I know.
It's a jelly upstairs, so 6 people will be able to take a jar of jelly. So if your name had an asterisk by it, she's like, what? She was nervous writing her name.
I was like,
You get a jar. So you can taste it.
You get a jar, and you get a jar, and you get a jar.
You could probably heat that jelly up. It's getting there. It's not completely there. I wanted to get there a little bit.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
You can almost hear it sometimes.
Okay, we're getting ready.
Getting ready, right?
All right, so we're
Gonna
gonna
keep staring?
keep stirring.
Keep staring, keep staring.
The microwave.
That is a good way, I guess. See the color change.
It's yellow though. I don't want to drop my phone down
Oh yeah, keep it like that.
there.
Because I can see through your screen.
Oh, okay, good. I can share it with you too if you want.
That's another thing. Our old demo thing had a big mirror up there, but it was just not enough room in here.
Wow, look at that.
You had no workspace.
It can get a little hot on your fingertips sometimes.
You get a good facial.
Oh yeah, nice steam bath.
She's an esthetician anyway, so
Oh, is she?
Yeah.
she loves that kind of stuff. Apple facial.
Apple steam.
All right, we're about done. Okay, I'm gonna take it. So I'm coming over there, guys. So watch out of the way. Right behind, right up there, right there. There's a little. Look on the other side. They're little bowls.
Okay. One of these
Little teeny ones. Little pudding bowls or what? Yeah. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get some of this foam out of here.
So,
We may not be able to get it all.
so if you kept the foam on, would that like dry like as crystal?
You could leave it in there, but it just doesn't look pretty in there.
It doesn't like taste.
But we
weird
don't.
or-
It'll probably settle into the top part of your jelly. And this is gonna start getting a gel on it fast. Nice videoing. Never had that before.
Who's got the asterisks by their name? And fill up their jars.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill our jar. As I get closer to the top, I'm going to raise my funnel because it will mess up the headspace too.
Oh, it's a pretty color.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, she said.
Okay, let's see about that. I like to keep a paper towel because this is going to get sticky. So this. There's a 1/4 of an inch. So it went right to the bottom of this. Okay. So this probably doesn't have any air bubbles in it. So I've got a wet little paper towel. And as this gets yucky, you can change it. And this is hot. Okay.
I was gonna say, does it to touch?
They do have special little mitts for this. So I'm just gonna wipe that clean. And then I'll get a lid.
Oh, I like that.
That is the coolest.
Yeah, that saves their fingers from getting burnt.
Fingertip.
Fingertip tight. Then we're gonna take it straight up and over to that pot. Okay? You don't want to tilt. Let me know. I'm gonna start
Is this the right way?
Nope, other way. Turn it
Oh,
around.
okay. Gotcha, okay, alright. So do I need to rinse that off now?
No, you're good.
Told you, bear with the left-hand person.
It's alright, you're the only one, you're right, mine.
Never yet.
No.
That's okay. My brother's left-handed, so.
My brother is too. Yeah. And y'all, he has the prettiest penmanship.
We think we're both sides of
That's
our brains,
crazy, 'cause mine
unfortunately. I don't know if
has-
that's a good thing or not.
Oh, mine is.
He had a
mine's terrible.
teacher. You know how a lot of them would turn their. She would not let him do that.
Wow.
And I had him write out invitations for me before.
Alright, so this has some foam stuff on it.
That's fine.
My Spanish teacher told me that they used to make them change hands.
My mom did that
Force
to me
them
when I
to-
was a kid.
Yeah,
She was
force
a
them.
teacher.
Okay, you won't need that
She was from
much, but
Spain, and she told me that they used to make it to get taught back then.
Probably not that much either.
Not what God would say, but you know.
But I would say I'm ambidextrous now.
Yeah.
start right there. Oh, pull it out, pull it out. Okay, you may need just a little bit more, but don't put
Don't
your
put the-
funnel in the jar. Just put it right above the jar. Okay, whoa, let's see that. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, put it right there.
And measure it.
Yeah. Well, you need some more. You were right. Here. Put a little, just a smidge.
I didn't hear that.
See, I'll start.
Right there.
That looks good. Yeah. Good.
So now I need to get the bubbles out, right?
You can, just those little top ones. It'll just help make it look prettier.
So what about the other residue?
That's
Is
just
that okay?
part of that foam in there
Mhm.
that we didn't get out. It won't hurt you or anything. It just won't look pretty.
See, you're supposed to be videotaping me doing this.
She's
I am.
videotaping. She's videotaping.
Okay.
We'll give her her number. We'll give her our numbers and stuff.
That's good, right?
I think so. So then you're gonna wipe your lid. Just, your lid. This part, that very top part.
one?
You may want to hold your jar.
Okay.
Get your lid. The flat one, yeah.
Get in, try to get it in the middle first.
Yeah, so make sure that it's in the middle, because that's what I didn't do. Mine was
Already
like,
use that as a toy,
yeah.
and I will hunt it down somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah, it's usually just not like that. I guess I can hold the jar.
Okay. And you said fingertip tight, right?
Fingertip tight.
I'm good for about 3, but then my nerves just start.
And I can't tell unless I do it.
There you go.
Okay. Then straight up and over into the canner. Let's go next.
She was practicing. She was gonna put it back in the box.
I was.
See, stay out the mess hall. You stay in logistics, okay?
You know, I have done that with pasta. Had my strainer, and I got ready to, and it.
First time for
luckily,
everything.
I
You
stopped.
got this, Stephanie.
But you're barefoot at home. And
Pull your bed over your phone up in there and stuff.
Strainer and a sink.
Pull your phone up.
She was doing like bone broth, like
Okay, now
Put
pull
the
the
funnel up.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now, we just don't want to interfere with our heads.
Well, down the sink.
A little more.
Like she was straining like, you know, like
Keep going.
she meant to put it in the pot.
Keep going.
And she just had the strainer sitting in there.
Maybe just a little bit.
It's like up to the last little ring.
Slow
One
simmer
more.
for like, you know, probably hours to.
Oh, yeah.
We'll test it. Okay, take your little thing
Yeah,
out.
she said.
We'll put that in.
Alright,
take your headspace.
So can you do like flower jellies, like hibiscus
The
and
one
stuff
at the
like that?
end.
If it's research, if it's a tested recipe,
It's like, is it real?
Like if it's
a
a
little bit more. Just a little bit more.
It's starting to show off.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it'll start gelling up quick.
You gotta work pretty fast. But it's okay, it'll still be good. Okay, let's try that. Okay, you're good.
Okay.
Now, we're gonna clean that lip of that jar, right on the top.
And it's up around.
Right where that
And
seal.
it's got the pulp from the apple in it.
So like if you, do you make apple butter?
I have not attempted apple
I love apple.
butter. Oh, it is, I can eat that stuff with a spoon.
Did y'all know you can get it at Cracker Barrel if you
Yes.
request it? They don't put it. They don't tell you.
They don't set it out anymore, but you can eat that.
You can touch it.
That's the top.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
Don't
As long
touch
as
the
you don't
underneath
touch
of
the
lid.
inside, right?
Say
You
that
can
again.
touch the outside, but not the inside.
No, we want to keep it as sterile as we can.
I love that little tool.
Mm-hmm.
That's weird.
That's
No,
where
I
you
need to go
find
buy
one of
me
those from.
one.
You
I was
can
about to
touch
put
the
that in
silver
there.
side,
Usually
don't
you can
touch the
find.
lighter,
No,
the
they're
goop.
sometimes they're in a kit where
Oh,
you can
okay.
get.
Uh-oh.
It may have just
Turn it to
sealed,
her.
I'm a little heavy handed, sorry.
but
So did I do that right?
yeah.
Okay.
Did good. Oh, okay. So you lower it down into the water.
And let's see. I may have to add some water to it. I do. I need to add some water to it.
Oh, sorry.
So smart with the extra water.
And how long does that?
I learned this from the person that used to can.
You got a pinch marker on there?
No, just I need one. What's it doing? 1 to 2. So you put that on it?
When he put her jar of jelly in the pot.
And I will say, you see how wide it is between those? I don't like that. I think they should be smaller.
Yeah.
Because the jars will tend to fall over.
Okay, so the water is not above it. The water is.
Not yet. I'm going to drop it. Okay, somebody go next.
I think it was like that. Stephanie got one. It was like this.
Yeah.